How to remove admin in Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, in this video you would learn how you can remove an admin in Meta Business Suite. What's the first thing to do? Of course, it is to log in into your Meta Business Suite account. Then move to your admin settings by moving to the left side of the screen and move to the bottom left corner where you can see your settings options, and then once you can see that, select it. Then after selecting settings, you'll be brought to the settings page where you can now continue with the process. On the settings page, ensure that you're on the people's page under users. So once you're on the people's page, you would see all of your team members in here. And then the next thing to do is to locate the admin that you'd like to remove by clicking on their name to select them and to view details about them. So once you've selected the admin and you can see details about the admin, move to the right side of the screen and then click on manage. And then once you click on manage, you can see details about the admin. Then for you to remove the person as an admin under the full control, all you need to do is to click on this box and then on this toggle instead. Once you tap on this toggle and it comes off, the person will be removed as an admin automatically. The reason I cannot remove this person as an admin is because this is the only member, or this is the only admin of the Facebook page on Meta Business Suite. So I cannot remove the person. But for you, just click on the manage and then click on go to full control everything, then tap on it, and then once it turns off, to know if it's turned off, it will turn to color black. Then once it's turned off, just know that the person has been removed as an admin. Then click on save, and then just like that, the person will be removed as an admin. So this is how it works. This is how you can remove an admin in your Meta Business Suite account. Thanks for watching and have a good day.